People around us seem to carry bottled water everywhere they go these days. In fact, it has become the second most popular drink, and the first, obviously, is soft drinks. When your water intake does not equal your output, you can become dehydrated. Fluid losses are accentuated in warmer climates, during exercise, in high altitudes, and in older adults whose sense of thirst may not be as sharp as the young ones. Here are a few reasons to make sure you're drinking enough water or other fluids every day. Drinking enough water helps maintain the balance of body fluids. A human body is composed of approximately 60% water. The functions of these bodily fluids include digestion, absorption, circulation, creation of saliva, transportation of nutrients, and most importantly, maintenance of body temperature. When low on fluids, the brain triggers the body's thirst mechanism. You should listen to those cues and get yourself a drink of water, juice, milk, coffee, anything, but stay away from alcohol. Water can help control calories. People on a diet have been drinking lots of water as a weight loss strategy. While water doesn't have some kind of magical effect on weight loss, substituting it for higher calorie beverages can certainly help. Water helps in energizing our muscles. Cells that don't maintain their balance of electrolytes and fluids are damaged, which can result in muscle fatigue and body aches. When a muscle cell doesn't have enough fluids, they don't work as well, and your performance can suffer. Whenever you're exercising, it's crucial to drink enough fluids in order to maintain your body's fluid levels. Drinking more water can actually help you in getting good skin. Your skin contains plenty of water and functions as a protective barrier to prevent excess fluid loss. However, don't expect overhydration to erase wrinkles or fine lines. Dehydration makes your skin look more dry and wrinkled, which can be improved with proper hydration. You can improve the health of your kidneys by drinking enough water. Body fluids transport waste products in and out of cells. Blood urea nitrogen is the main toxin in our body. It is a water-soluble waste that is able to pass through the kidneys to be excreted in the urine. And when you're getting enough fluids, urine flows freely, is light in color, and free of odor. When your body is not getting enough fluids, urine concentration, color, and odor increases because the kidneys trap extra fluid for bodily functions. Proper water intake helps in maintaining your bowel functions. When you drink enough water, your gastrointestinal tract works accurately and helps in preventing constipation. When you don't get the required fluids, your colon pulls water from stools to maintain hydration. Thus, the result is constipation. So, keep yourself hydrated, not only with water, but you can also consume some fruits and vegetables to keep your fluid levels balanced. Grab a glass of water after watching this video.